Facebook Meta Platforms technicals to watch from here. Today on Tuesday, stock gapped down and it's at this $320 level. That's where it's hovering around. And I thought at first in the morning that they reported earnings, but I think the earnings call is not until 2nd of February. So estimated earnings per share is $3.76, but seeing that $1.02, I was a bit surprised in the morning. So not sure about that one. I wasn't able to find anything on that one. But actual earnings conference is 2nd of February, so I will wait for the earnings until then. But on a daily chart, on levels, this is what I'm watching. So this is a yearly chart of the Facebook. And if you look at the past 2 months of action, you can see that this stock has been in this range and it hasn't been able to break out of this $350 level. So I was a bit excited right here when stock was sitting at $350, because if we get above this trend line, if you can see this blue line on my chart, this is the downtrend I'm watching for Facebook. If it does break that trend line and then 350, I was expecting the stock to possibly run towards $400 levels. But if it's not happening and stock is actually reversing or maybe breaking below the support levels, which is for me more of a confirmation to the downside, would be this stock closing below 310. But until then, I'm just watching until the stock decides which way to go, whether it's going to break out of this trend line or whether it's going to break below the support. Because if you look at the moving averages for the stock, it's below all of it. If you take a look at the red line right here, which represents 200-day moving average, yellow one is a 50-day simple moving average, 100-day moving average, this purple line, and you can see that 100-day is downtrending. 50-day moving average, well, it was going sideways here, but definitely it was downtrending here. And if you look at it here, it hasn't been doing much, so moving sideways. But 200-day moving average is still to the upside, but it's 200-day. It's not going to reverse right away, right? It needs time. It's a very slow moving average. 200 days, basically 1 year of price action average. And it's below that, so it's not a good sign that this stock is sitting below all of its moving averages. And also right here we have as they call when 50-day moving average crosses below 200-day, death cross. But for me, bullish signal would be, just like I said, break above this line, and the bearish signal would be stock actually going below this 310. So let's measure this 384. So I want to see at what point this stock will be down 20% or more, just to consider that the stock is in a bear market. So $308 levels, basically 307. So if it goes below 307, officially stock will be in a bear market. But it's at the moment $320 level, but we'll see, not too far away to break down or break out. And also 2 more weeks until they report earnings, so be careful with the premiums options. So that's the update for Facebook Meta Platforms. We'll see you in the next one.